Hello, I'm Eric, installing a trailer hitch on your Chevy Express cargo van. This can take you to some awesome places like camping, biking. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer anywhere in North America. Let's break it down for you. You need the tools seen here to complete this installation. One of the things you want to check is where you're going to be mounting the hitch on. So on the driver's side, we have 2 holes in the rear, and then down forward, the rearmost bolt is going to be that right here. And for the hitch, it's exactly the same on the passenger side. We have carriage bolts and spacers. We have 2 that are small and 1 that is large. The smaller ones are going to go to the rear, and the largest one's going to go to the hole in the front. So as we can see here, it's an open frame, so we're just going to go ahead and drop these carriage bolts with the spacers. Again, the small ones are going to go to the rear. The largest one's going to go to the front. And you're going to be repeating this on the passenger side. So we're going to be putting this hitch into place. It is pretty heavy, so we're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, I recommend getting an extra set of hands. So for all these 6 bolts, we have the same conical tooth washer and this nut. So we're going to go ahead and put that in. And again, we're going to be repeating this on the passenger side. And now we're going to go ahead and torque these bolts and nuts to its proper specifications as per the instructions. And we're going to be using a 19mm socket. And now with your hitch installed, let's go over some hitch measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the ground to the top of the receiver is 18 inches. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 3 inches. And with your hitch installed, you're ready to go to the great outdoors. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.